Welcome to CEPIC tutorial on how to use Fluidanov 20X. Fluidanov 20X is a multifunctional natural liquid co-emulsifier. The recommended dosage is 0.5 to 5%. It is from vegetable origin and developed following the green chemistry principles. It is 100% natural origin content following ISO 16128. Fluidanov 20X has Cosmos and Naturo certifications and is covered by a mass balance RSPO certificate. It is extra fluid at room temperature and cold processable. Fluidanov 20X is a stabilizing partner for multiple formulations. It has excellent co-emulsifying properties for oil in water or water in oil emulsions. It can offer a soft and silky skin feel in classical water in oil emulsion and is able to stabilize gel trap patented technology. It is a great add-on to bi- and triphasic systems for quicker phase separations and stabilization. Fluidanov 20X is a CEPIC patented product. It has a xylolipid amphiphilic structure and a very stable ether glycosidic link, so it's effective over a wide range of pH. It is non-ionic and is compatible with all kinds of ingredients, including cationics. Fluidanov 20X can be used as a stability partner thanks to its co-emulsifying properties. It helps stabilize the water in oil emulsions and enhance their skin feel. Fluidanov 20X is suitable for the gel trap patented technology. It also has an excellent texturizing, stabilizing effect for optimizing cream gels. It helps also stabilize oil in water emulsions. Here, we will show you how to make the formulation AS40246. All phase contain Montanov 68 and Montanov 202 as the emulsifiers. Lanol 99 is an emollient.
Fluidanov 20X is to bring more emolliency during application.
Cepimaxazine and Solagom AX are the thickeners. Anti-inflammaging active aminovector timecode and soothing lipophilic algae extract antileukin 6 are also added. We are going to produce 300 grams of avocado pulp anti-aging puree. The process is as follows. Wait phase A in the beaker and heat to 85 degrees Celsius. Wait phase B in another beaker and heat to 85 degrees Celsius until the solid dissolves well. Add phase C into phase B, then add phase A to phase B plus C. Homogenize with Silverstone rotostarter 4000 RPM for 4 minutes. Premix phase D, then add phase D in phase A plus B plus C, and homogenize it for another 2 minutes. Cool down to 45 degrees with an anchor stirring at 150 RPM. Add ingredients of phase E one by one, and stop stirring at 30 degrees Celsius. Now we get a nice avocado pulp anti-aging puree. Here we will show you how to produce 10 kilos of AS40269 leaded freeze, which has a special aspect and texture. The oily phase contains water in oil co-emulsifier Fluidanov 20X. It helps trapping some water in the semi-solid beads. Emollient Emogreen L19 offers a light texture. The combination of emollients with diverse melting points will help the beads keep their shape during storage. Cepimaxazine, Cepinov Weo, and Solagom Tara are the thickeners. They are balanced to provide good suspending property and optimize sensoriality. Aquaxyl and Cepitonic M3.0 will be added in the external gel phase for additional efficacy in moisture and energy boost. Oramix CG110 will provide better spreadability of beads during application. At first, we prepare the external aqueous gel with phase C, D, and E. Wait phase D in a beaker. Heat it to 65 degrees Celsius in a warm bath and stir till dissolved. In the main tank, start anchor at 50 RPM. Disperse the polymer of phase C into water and stir with the flocculator at 800 RPM for 20 minutes till uniform. Add phase D and phase E to phase C and stir with anchor stirring 50 RPM till uniform. We got a white aqueous gel. Take out the aqueous gel and set aside. Then we will make a water in oil emulsion beads suspending in gel with phase A and B. Disperse cepimaxazine of phase A well in water with deflocculator at 500-800 RPM for 20 minutes. Then heat phase A to 52 degrees Celsius. Wait phase B in a beaker and heat it to 80 degrees C till melted. Add phase B into phase A. Stir with anchor at 50 rpm together with deflocculator 800 rpm to make a suspension. And then stir with anchor at 20 to 30 rpm to get the water in oil particles with proper size. When the emulsion particles are evenly distributed, stop stirring and cool it to 40-45 degrees Celsius. Add the aqueous gels phase C plus D plus E to the pre-emulsion phase A plus B. Stir the system under anchor stirring 30 rpm till well dispersed. Now we get a beautiful AS40269 let it freeze. This formulation illustrates the use of Fluidanov 20X together with Solagum AX and Solagum Tara to create a 100% natural gel trap, gel in oil structure with very high water internal phase content. The water phase contains Solagum Tara that can significantly boost the viscosity when combining with other polymers and brings textures. Solagum AX brings a soft and non-sticky afterfeel and a moisturizing sensation to this gel trap. The oil phase contains Fluidanov 20X that creates a natural gel trap, offering a surprising texture. Antileukin 6 is added for soothing effect and aspartate reduces the contagious aging on young cells. Aquaxyl is added for moisturization. We are going to produce 300 grams of Cosmos Skin Bliss. The procedure is as follows. Wet water in a beaker and heat it to 80 degrees Celsius. Solagum Tara, Solagum AX under the deflocculator, 900 rpm for 20 minutes. Once the gel is homogeneous, slow down to 700 rpm and cool down with a cold bath. At 35 degrees Celsius, add the rest ingredients of phase A. Weight the ingredients of phase B in another beaker. Mix it with a stirring stick. Add phase B into phase A. Mix it under anchor at 700 rpm for 10 minutes. Now we get a natural gel trap cream. We will show you how to make the formulation EU07785. The oil phase contains 3D Feel Easy as the emulsifier. Fluidanov 20X brings advantages of oil in water systems as a co-emulsifier and stabilizes the emulsion. Lanol 2681 is the emollient. Solagum AX is a natural origin polymer that thickens the emulsion without adding stringiness. Aquaxyl and ceramoside HP, a duo of active for moisturization, fresher complexion, and barrier repair are also added. We are going to produce 300 gram moisturizing milky essence. The procedure is as follows. Prepare phase A in a beaker. Weight the ingredients of phase B in another beaker. Disperse Solagum AX in phase B and mix gently with a stirring stick. Pour phase A in phase B plus C all at once and homogenize under Silverstone rotostarter at 4000 rpm for 4 minutes. Then stir gently under anchor stirring 100 rpm for 10 minutes and add ingredients of phase D one by one. Now we get a fluid milky emulsion. I'll show you how to make the formulation LA60050 Bi-phasic Protective Sun Spray. Lanol 99 and Lanol 3070 are emollient esters. Lanol 3070 is 100% plant-based emollient. It ensures an efficient organic sun filter solubilization. Fluidanov 20X is a smart plant-based water-in-oil co-emulsifier used at a low dosage to allow a clear and stable phase separation. Aquaxyl provides strong moisturizing properties despite sun exposure. We are going to produce 300 grams Bi-phasic protective spray. The procedure is as follows. Weigh all phase A ingredients together in a beaker. Heat phase A up to 85 degrees Celsius until the total solubilization of the filters in powder under a water bath. Mix it with a stirring stick until homogeneous. Cool down phase A at room temperature. Blend phase B ingredients together. Once the phase A reaches room temperature, add phase B into phase A. Now we get a biphasic formula Take it before use. Leave it on the table, it will separate into 2 layers after several minutes. Do not hesitate to contact our expert for more formulation tips or questions.